Hello, welcome back again to episode number 31. We are having a question, still trying to digest the compound angle. This is if tanA plus B, the sum, equals to 2 on 5 and tanA is 3. We have to find a value for tanB. So we have to know the expansion, the formula representation for the tanA plus B. So, okay, let's just say we have tanA plus B as 2 on 3, tanA as 3. Then let's say our tanB, let's use the y or x to represent that. Then from expansion, tanA plus B is equals to the tanA, the first angle, the tanB, the second angle, 1 minus the tanA, the tanB. Remember how we expanded this in the previous episode. So now we do substitution. So whatever I have tanA, I write in 3. Wherever I have tanA plus B, I put in, this is 2 on 5, not on 3. So I have my 2 on 5 equals to the tanA represented by 3 plus tanB now will be y divided by 1 minus, where is it? A is 3 times this, we have what? 3y. So this becomes a fraction we need to deal with. We can cross multiply. So if I cross multiply, let's say it's going to be 2 into bracket 1 minus 3y equals to this 5 into bracket 3 plus what? Y. We only cross multiply. Now we can expand now to free the bracket. So 2, 1, 2, 2 times 3, 6y, 5, 3, 15, 5 times y, 5y. So now we group like terms. Let's see. Okay, this is negative, so let's send it there and bring this one. Okay, it will be the same. So let's maintain our negative 6y. Bring in the 5 as negative 5y equals to 15 remain minus what? 2. And negative 5, negative 6 will give you negative 11. So this is negative 11y equals to 13. But we need to divide and get the y alone. So y will be equals to negative 13 divided by what? 11. So therefore, we can say tanB is negative 13 on what? 11. So you can see how the use of the expansion can be used to solve any question. Previously, you will be given the tanA, tanB, and you'll be asked to find what? The sum of that two angles. It can be the other way around, just like we are witnessing in this question. Like the video, share, comment, and subscribe.